So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Netbeans for Java programming on Windows 11. So first of all, you need to install JDK on your Windows PC. For this, you can watch this video. You will find its link in the description. Now once you have JDK installed, open the browser on your PC. Now here search for Netbeans download. Now click on the first link that appears. After this, click on this download button. Now here you will see these two options, binary and source. Click on source and this will start downloading Netbeans. Wait until the file is downloaded. As you can see here, the file is downloaded. Click on this file icon. Now here, double click on Netbeans. So now here, click on the first link that appears. Now here, click on this download button. Now here, under installer and packages, click on this first link. Now scroll down. And for Windows, click on this first link. And as you can see here, the file is now being downloaded. Wait until the process is completed. And now the file is downloaded. Click on this folder icon. Now double click on the setup file. Now here click on yes. Now in the setup wizard, click on next. Click on next again. Click on install. And this will start installing Netbeans. Wait until the process is completed. And now the setup is completed. Click on finish. And this will launch Netbeans. Now after this, click on this file icon. Click on new project. Now let's select a simple Java application. Click on next. And this will configure Java cluster. Once done, click on finish. And this will create a new project. So this way I can install Netbeans for Java programming on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.